Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we'll be making a delicious breaded fish recipe. These fillets are flavoured with Parmesan cheese, lemon and pepper, plus they're really simple to prepare, making them the perfect family meal. Firstly, take a ramekin, then pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Also squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Then mix these 2 ingredients together until combined. Next, in a mixing bowl, take 100 grams of natural breadcrumbs. Then add 40 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Add a generous helping of ground pepper, then mix these ingredients together. Now, on a baking tray that's lined with some greaseproof or parchment paper, place on 4 frozen cod or haddock fillets. Then take the oil and lemon we prepared earlier and brush it all over the fish fillets. And next, take the breadcrumb and parmesan topping and sprinkle it all over the fish fillets. And now your fish is ready to bake. So in an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, bake the fish in the oven for between 15 and 20 minutes. Keep an eye on the fish to make sure nothing's burning, and when the topping is lovely and golden and crisp and the fish is cooked through, remove it from the oven. And then serve straight away while still hot, served with your favourite vegetables. And there you go, that's how to make this really tasty lemon pepper fish recipe, which is the perfect family meal.